In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup's whiteboards, a fantastic tool that can help you collaborate visually with your team. Before we dive in, make sure you have an account with Clickup for this walkthrough. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, head over to Clickup's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in clickup.com. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one, but for this demonstration, I'm going to assume you're all set. Now, right at the top of the page, you'll find the login button. Click that to proceed. To streamline the login process, ClickUp offers the option to sign in using your Google account. After clicking the login button, just look for the sign in with Google option on the login page. This is particularly helpful if you want to avoid remembering yet another password. Once you select this option, a Google login window will pop up. Choose your Google account and you'll be automatically guided into the ClickUp interface. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Clickup workspace. The next thing you want to do is select a specific list you're working with. If you have multiple lists, make sure you pick the one where you want to create a whiteboard. This keeps your whiteboards organized within your tasks. With your list selected, the next step is to find the view option on the page. Clicking this will show you different ways to look at your tasks and data. We want to tap into the visual side, so you'll hit whiteboard new. This action will open up a new whiteboard for you to work with. Now, ClickUp offers several templates that can make setting up your whiteboard easier. Templates can be a great time saver, especially if you have a particular format or layout in mind. Click on the templates button to see the available options. Browse through the templates to find one that fits your project or team activity. Remember, these are customizable, so you have the freedom to tweak them as needed later on. Once you've found a template you like, simply select Quick Use. This will create a whiteboard based on the template you've chosen and save you from starting everything from scratch. With that done, you're free to edit the whiteboard content, change text, add elements, move things around. This is where you can really personalize your workspace to suit your needs. And there you have it. You are now ready to start using ClickUp's whiteboards as part of your workflow. Whether it's brainstorming with teammates or laying out project plans, these whiteboards can be a powerful asset in your work toolkit. Give it a try and take full advantage of what ClickUp has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.